Monday, August 14th, just following up on Broadcom, AVGO. I bought the stock here on the first video I shot at the blue line, went up on the first bar, I was pausing for 3 or 4 bars, bought it here, and now it broke out of there, continued higher, paused a little bit, and now we're continuing higher. So I discussed in the last video how I was looking to scale out at 847. You can see we're up to almost 849 right now, bought it at 842.97. We have the 2 up bar here that's kind of working its way up. We want to see if it hits that target here of 862 either today or in some kind of compound fashion up there. You can see there's a little fair value gap up here that it might eventually pause and roll over, but that's a whole another story should we even get there. If we kind of come up to and you know, can't reach that target and eventually get a 2 down bar, that could be good selling action eventually, because we still have a big red, you know, bar to start, you know, over the last week that you expect those lows to be taken out. As long as we don't get above the midpoint of that weekly bar and do some, you know, consolidation in here, maybe to the upside, it could roll over to the downside and eventually target those areas. But we're just going to let price action guide us. For now, we had the good start to the upside here above the midpoint of the prior day, breaking up, and then, you know, the way it was just pausing here looked like it wanted to kind of continue higher for a good short-term trade. So we have a good short-term trade on, you know, Broadcom. Tough to say if it's going to, you know, that's the next target until proven otherwise. So we kind of see if we kind of hold, let's say we close green like this right here, then we see if we hold the midpoint of that bar and continue up towards that target. Any failure to reach that target, knowing we have the weekly, you know, potential red bar target down here, could be a rollover to the downside, but we'll just have to wait, you know, for opening price action and, you know, maybe a 2 down kind of day on the week on a daily chart to start considering going short. Maybe we'll have a big failure by the end of the day, and that'll kind of lead us lower, you know, expectation-wise into the end of the week. But for now, it's a good start to the upside on this stock and a good trade here, buying at the lower blue line, and now watching it continue higher in the morning here for a good trade.